Now let's take a look at some of the views that were expressed on the election stage.
Which parent tells their child to become a politician when they grow up? Is a politician a bad person? Is he not a role model? There are times when he could be. In our society, there are politicians who are role models and politicians who are not. An election is an important occasion. It is an occasion to reject such persons and retain the educated, the intelligent and law-abiding individuals in politics.
ප්‍රතික්ෂේප කරලා උගතුන් බුද්ධිමතුන් නීතිගරුක පුද්ගලයන් දේශපාලනයට රඳවා ගන්න.
Politics as a whole is in the hands of ethanol and drug smugglers. How much do you shake with fear when you think about your children? You wonder what habit they will get addicted to. You are afraid to let your child go and play with the boys on the beach because you fear what kind of trouble he will get into. We have been made to raise our children in fear.
Make an effort to send your child to the Dhamma school. When he receives an education on the Dhamma, he will become a self-disciplined individual. We who are going to be politicians and you as parents have been vested with the responsibility of creating a society where they can determine the path of their lives for themselves and enable them to select the right path instead of saying foolish things like we must ban the internet or ban Facebook.
This is a time when the people need to think about whether they are going to stop electing people who pickpocketed votes and deceive the people, or if they are going to elect persons who have lived amongst them, have understood their pulse and can identify their votes and their sweat to the provincial council.
My friends, please think about every mother and every father that has a child. That is why we are battling in the election that will be held on the 28th and the 29th. We have a national duty to carry out. Some in Colombo are lighting incense sticks and are watching Geneva, praying that someone will come from above and take Mahinda Rajapaksa away.
When looking at modern politics, we wonder where the policies are. The roads are being carpeted, concrete roads are being built, expressways are being opened, ports and airports are being built. In terms of development, this country is moving forward day by day. But look at the things on the other hand. The provincial councillor made a teacher kneel before the Northwestern Provincial Council was dissolved. Parliament MPs and ministers have been caught with containers of narcotics and ethanol spirits.
We have done many things in the modern way and have provided all facilities for the people of Mahawakta. I think there is something that you must keep in mind. There are parents in this area. They must know. And all of Eastern Colombo must know that I have the enthusiasm to do a major service here. So I ask that you cooperate with me in whichever way you can so I can fulfill this want.